Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, class. Myself, Hina, roll number 23, SNGNC, IGMC, Shimla, third year student. So, my topic of discussion is colostomy care. First, definition. Colostomy is an opening called a stoma in the large intestine brought to the surface of the abdomen for the purpose of evacuation of bowel. As the name suggests, ostomy means the opening and the colon means the colon, and this calls a opening in the colon. Next, colostomy care. The pouch, stoma and skin surrounding the stoma require care and the maintenance. The purpose of colostomy care are: first, to maintain integrity of the stoma and peristomal skin. The peristomal skin is the skin around the stoma. Second, to prevent infection. Third, to promote journal comfort and positive self-image. Fourth, to provide clean ostomy pouch for fecal evacuation. Fifth, to reduce odor from overuse of old pouch. Now the indication for the colostomy are: birth defect. It includes a Hirschsprung's disease. In this, it involves the missing of nerve cells in the muscle of a part or all of the large intestine. Next, inflammatory bowel disease, injury to the colon or rectum, partial or complete intestine or bowel blockage, rectal or colon cancer. In this, we used to do the permanent colostomy. We will discuss later about this. Wounds or fistula in the perineum. So, next, you can see in the picture colon cancer, and there will be the removal of this part, and we will place the colostomy bag. So basically, we divide the colostomy broadly into two main categories. First, according to duration. Second, according to stoma site. So first, according to duration, it includes two: permanent colostomy and the temporary colostomy. And the other, according to stoma site, it includes the three: double barrel colostomy, loop colostomy, and colostomy. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, लूप कलोस्टमी. इसमें क्या होता है कि ये वैसे तो ये लगता तो बैरल कोलोस्टमी की तरह ही है, लेकिन इसमें मेजर डिफरेंस ये होता है कि इसमें जो कोलोन के लूप को होता है, पहले उसे बाहर निकालते हैं, फिर उसमें दो तरह की ओपनिंग करते हैं. एक ओपनिंग से जो होता है फीसेस पास आउट होती हैं, और दूसरी जो होती है नॉन फंक्शनिंग होती है, जो म्यूकस सिक्रीशंस में हेल्प करती है. सो loop colostomy. The loop colostomy may look like one very large stoma, but it has two openings. One opening put out stool, the other only put out the mucosa. As you can see in the picture, the dark portion is the right portion, in which from where the feces and the fecal matter flatus will be passed out, and the other is the light portion and this is the left portion, and it is for the purpose of mucus secretion. The next division is double barrel colostomy. इसमें क्या होता है कि इसमें क्या करते हैं, हम पहले ही दो तरह की एब्डोमिनल वॉल पे ओपनिंग कर लेते हैं सेपरेटली. तो मेजर यही डिफरेंस है लूप कलोस्टमी और डबल कलोस्टमी में. फिर क्या करते हैं कि जो ओपनिंग कर लेते हैं उसमें एक राइट प्रॉक्सिमल ओपनिंग होती है और दूसरी होती है लेफ्ट डिस्टल ओपनिंग. जो राइट साइड प्रॉक्सिमल ओपनिंग होती है, इससे स्टूल और फ्लेटस पास आउट होता है, और लेफ़्ट साइड से ये जो होता है नॉन फंक्शनिंग पार्ट होता है, ये रेस्ट और हीलिंग पर्पस के लिए होता है. सो डबल बैरेड कोलोस्टमी. इन अ डबल बैरेड कोलोस्टमी द सर्जन डिवाइड्स द बाउल कम्प्लीटली. ईच ओपनिंग इज brought to the surface as a separate stoma. The two stoma may or may not be separated by skin. One opening put out stool and the other put out only mucosa. This is similar. Smaller stoma is called a mucus fistula. As you can see in the picture, the right side is the dark portion from where the flatus will be passed out, and the left side is the non-functioning part. Now, the descending and sigmoid colostomy. It is also called the end colostomy, and it is of the permanent type. In the descending colon, the descending colostomy is placed on the lower left side of the belly. Most often, the output is firm and can be controlled. A sigmoid colostomy is the most common type of the colostomy. It is made in the sigmoid colon and located just a few inches lower than a descending colostomy. Because there's more working colon, it may put out solid stool on a more regular schedule. As you can see in the picture, the distal part is removed completely and the surgeon will be placed the colostomy back there for the evacuation of the stool. The next is the tray. The colostomy tray consists of the Macintosh with draw sheet. It is used for the avoiding the soiling of the clothes. Next, kidney tray paper bag for wet and the dry waste. Pair of clean gloves for prevention of infection. Colostomy bag. Anus basin with warm tap water for cleaning. Gauze piece. Skin barrier. Stoma measuring guide for measuring stoma. Pen and pencils and the scissor for the accurate measurements and the bedpan. As you can see in the picture, the different types of the colostomy bags. One piece, two piece. Next, the parts of it: skin barrier, tape and the pouch. Now the procedure. First, gather equipment. It will help in the insurance of the insurance of everything at the bedside. Encourage client to look at the stoma. It encourages the participation of the stoma care. Explain the procedure to the patient to gain the confidence of the patient. Provide privacy for smooth performance of the procedure. Perform hand hygiene and wear gloves to prevent infections. Spread Macintosh and draw sheet to protect linen. Remove used pouch and skin barrier gently by pushing the skin away from the barrier. Reduces trauma, jerking, irritates skin and can cause tear. Remove clamp and empty the content into the bedpan. Rinse the pouch with tepid water NS to minimize the odor and the growth of microbes. Discard the disposable pouch in paper bag. Observe stoma for the color, swelling, trauma and healing. Stoma should be moist and pink. To find out the complication, clear the stoma with gauze piece to prevent the fecal matter from contacting with the skin. Clean peristomal region gently with tap water with the gauze piece. Don't scrub the skin dry by patting the skin. Stoma surface is highly vascular. Skin barrier does not adhere to the wet skin. Remove gauze and the clean stoma with gauze piece. As you can see in the picture, there is a measuring stomal guide. You have to measure 1/6 or 1/8 inches, then cut the appropriate size and adhere to the skin. The assessment includes the color. The color includes are red, adequate blood supply; pale yellow, yellow or the low hemoglobin; dark red, purplish tint, indicate bruising; gray to black, no blood supply. Assess the skin integrity around the stoma and the appearance. Note the amount and character of fecal matter in pouch. As you can see in the video, the procedure will be proceed in this manner.
Start around the skin and just gently clean the skin, making sure to get any residue off. Now we're going to measure our stoma using our measuring card. And the reason we want to do this is because we're going to be cutting a hole on our skin barrier. And this is going to be going on the skin, and you had your measurement. So you would find the 45 one appropriately.
The documentation will be done. Record the procedure with following details: date, time, amount, color, consistency of fecal matter, sign of any infection. Now the guidelines. Keep odor as free of odors as possible. Ostomy bags should be emptied frequently. Check the stoma regularly. The color should be dark pink to red and moist. Pale color indicates anemia. Dark or purple blue indicates compromised circulation. Size of the stoma stabilize 6 to 8 weeks. If dressing, check frequently for drainage and bleeding. Keep the skin around the stoma, peristomal area side clean and dry. If not, it causes skin irritation and infection. Intake and output chart must be recorded for every 4 hours. Encourage the patient to participate in care and to look the ostomy. Can help the patient by listening, explaining, being able and supportive. Now the special consideration: use the right side pouch and skin barrier. Change the pouching system regularly to avoid leaks and skin integration. Remove the skin barrier gently. Watch for sensitive and allergies. Avoid to use the soap for cleaning as it can cause skin irritation. Thank you.